Unlock Your Hip Flexors is an internet program designed to eliminate a massive array of physical, mental, emotional, and sexual health considerations that are caused by stiff hips. Whereas having tight hips is an associate with uncomfortable issues to alter on its own, what many of us don't notice is that several issues stem from bolted hip flexors. Your hips are in the middle of a spread of movements and activities, and after they aren't functioning properly because of stiffness, several alternative functions aren't ready to work expeditiously either. Sadly, several trendy medicines and traditional ways aren't designed to repair your hip flexors. Instead, they solely mask the symptoms at hand. Unlock Your Hip Flexors is the opposite. It provides you with a secure and natural answer that unlocks, repairs, and strengthens your hip flexors, therefore you'll unleash your full potential of power, performance, and luxury. What is the Unlock Your Hip Flexors about? Almost every movement your body makes comes from your hip flexors. Whether or not you're walking, taking a step, standing, skipping, twisting, love, reaching for one thing, or dancing, your hip flexors are in the middle of every action. As a result, once your hip flexors are bolted, it's troublesome to try and do several alternative things, or at the terribly least, to try and do therefore while not pain. What may additionally surprise you is that stiff hip flexors also can have an effect on several alternative things, equivalent to your sexual performance, weight, belly fat, frustration, emotions, and additional. Sadly, prescription medications and DIR therapies aren't designed to tackle the foundation cause or to repair it. They're designed to mask the symptoms to produce temporary relief. PNF stretching, proprioceptive fiber bundle facilitation, that relaxes the muscles around a joint, dynamic stretching that activates the muscle closer joint to maneuver it through its full vary of movement to extend the range of motion and to heat up the muscles and improve circulation around that joint, 3D core stability exercises that target the muscle altogether, lanes of movement to boost activation, endurance, and strength, quality exercises that target the be part of through exercises that facilitate it perform optimally, fascia stretching that targets the tissue close the muscles to loosen and lengthen the fascia, muscle activation movements that activate muscles that facilitate your body move higher on prime of this. Unlock Your Hip Flexors provides you with an abundance of data, therefore, you'll have a full understanding of the facility of your hips and also the issues you will be experiencing as a result of bolted hip flexors, several of that you probably would haven't connected to your hip flexors while not an abundance of analysis. Fortuitously, this program has already done all of the analysis for you associated. Place it into an easy-to-follow, fascinating guide that teaches you everything there's to understand concerning your hip flexors. Then, it provides you with straightforward, stepwise directions, therefore you'll flip your new information into action. Additionally, to the guides and directions, you furthermore may receive diagrams, follow-on exercise videos, employment videos, and additional to make sure a pleasurable method. You furthermore may receive some free bonuses, that I'll justify in exactly a flash. Now, the whole program is digital, therefore you receive immediate access as presently as you get. This permits you to induce started directly in any place your life takes you within the future, since you transfer the content right onto your laptop, computer, smartphone, pill, or desktop. As long as you have got your electronic devices, you have got the program and valuable exercises with you. Unlock Your Hip Flexors conjointly comes with a 60-day reimbursement guarantee, permitting you to do the whole program out unhazardous for 2 months. And considering you will begin to feel the soothing effects during a few days, is quite enough time required to ascertain however specific movements can be the last word answer. Who is the creator of Unlock Your Hip Flexors? Injury specialist, Rick Casey, and national popular fitness author, Microphone Westerdale are the authors of Unlock Your Hip Flexors. However, they're rather more than that. Rick is highly recognized because of the go-to guy for treating injuries, as he was ready to develop a series of techniques that cured his severe back injury. Since he has helped over 80,000 individuals across the world do identical. Mike isn't solely a popular fitness author, however conjointly, a causative author for Iron Man magazine, founding father of the longest-standing strength website known as SaridicalBench.com, a sports nutrition specialist and private coaching. Together, these two have the information, expertise, and education required for a comprehensive answer that gives quite simply temporary relief. What you'll learn in Unlock Your Hip Flexors? Unlock Your Hip Flexors could be a comprehensive program that teaches you a series of light movements designed to loosen, repair, and strengthens your hip flexors, therefore you'll win optimum relief and health. It comes with a spread of sections to make sure an informed approach to healing a massive array of health considerations and conditions that stem from bolted hips. A number of the problems which will be tackled with this program include protection hips, hassle, sleeping, unhealthy posture, joint pain, feeling sluggish, high anxiety, compromised system, biological process issues, circulatory problems, loss of sexual performance. The program breaks all of the light movements down with easy to follow stepwise directions, complete with diagrams to indicate you specifically a way to perform every movement to avoid the chance of injury. It conjointly comes with follow-on exercise videos that place everything along during a free flow sequence. To give you a stronger plan of what you'll expect from the system as an entire, here's a glance at a number of the topics and techniques covered. 1. Anatomy and biomechanics of the hip flexors. 2. Meet your striated muscle. 3. Fight or flight muscle for survival. 4. However sitting is killing you. 5. Sitting and your sex life. 6. Increase power to extend performance. 7. Why you can't hearth your most powerful muscle. 8. Tight hips equals fat storage. 9. A good striated muscle will cause you to look fat. 10. Striated muscle and its effects on emotions and energy. 11. Why static stretching alone isn't the solution. 12. The routine. 1. Dynamic stretching. 2. Static stretching. 3. Fascial stretching. 4. Quality exercise. 5. PNF stretching. 6. Core stability exercises. 7. Muscle activation. When you purchase this program, you furthermore may receive some bonuses for fully free, which are the Pain Hacker 90-second pain answer optical disc shipped to you, premium supermolecule powder, unlock your tight hamstrings guide, our finding unlock your hip flexors teaches you a secure, natural, and mild answer for a spread of health issues, physical, mental, emotional, and sexual. It's straightforward enough for anyone to try and do, despite their current discomfort or fitness level. Additionally, to the movements and exercises you learn, the program conjointly provides you with an associate abundance of valuable data, therefore you recognize a way to stay unpainful moving forward. And you'll even attempt it out unhazardous with the 60-day reimbursement guarantee. You have got nothing to lose by giving it an attempt, and at Positive Beats taking prescription medications that solely mask the symptoms. Check out the link in the description below to learn more information.